right, to start us off, we're gonna get our shaker and our coupe glass ready to go. We're gonna start by adding vodka to this. You can add your favorite vodka, or if you have vanilla vodka available, I'd strongly suggest using that. Then we're gonna add our coffee liqueur. I'm doing Kaua'i today. You could do Bailey's or whatever other brand you really like. A really important part of this recipe is the fresh espresso shot. If you don't have this, it's not a big deal. You can always substitute it for cold brew, but if you do, go ahead and use that. I'm adding in vanilla extract because I did not have a vanilla vodka, so that's an option for you if you'd like. And next we're gonna go ahead and fill our glass all the way up for this shaker. This will really help this martini to take out all of the flavors and really bring it out. Then we're gonna shake it enough to be able to create that foam. Anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds, 45 seconds, depending on how fast you shake, but it should have this color and this texture. Then we're gonna go ahead and strain this straight into the coupe glass. And I love to strain this slowly and really bring out the foam on top. It'll really make a big difference at the end. Next, we're gonna garnish with 3 whole coffee beans. At least that's how I'm choosing to garnish it today. You can do whatever design you really enjoy, but this is a more traditional design for a garnish for the espresso martini. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy with a friend or family member, and don't forget to tag us with all your beautiful creations. We can't wait to see what you make next. Aloha!